So in this video, I'm going to show you how to order Domino's pizza online using a gift card. Let's get started. So first, open the Domino's website or app and start your order by selecting the items you want. Add them to your cart as usual. Once you've chosen your items, go to the checkout page. At checkout, you'll see an option to enter payment information. You can then select gift card as your payment method. Now simply type in your gift card number and PIN. If the card covers the full amount, you're all set. Otherwise, you can use a second payment option to cover the difference. And that's it. Your Domino's order is on its way.